Okay, let's talk about the detail in the shower and what needs to happen. So clearly the glass up the top is not so bad, but down the bottom is quite bad. Now we've got under the flappy bit of the shower, you have the frame. Now look at the detail of the frame. See how there's many places that need to be detailed or brushed, either. You can see the glass is bad, but around the silicone of the glass, around the frame of the glass is even worse. Now you can see the soap scum you can see the bottom tiles, how they look like. You can see the buildup. That's only what you can see. There's obviously a lot more. That's probably from about, say, hip height down. Now we'll have a look at the fixtures. Can you see around the detail of the fixtures? If you rewind back, you can see how there's a layer of soap around all of those edges. Now, the reason why and the same thing with the shower head. Now, as I'm showing you all of the grout so you can see there is a lot of grout missing, but all of the grout needs to be detailed by brush. The outside of the glass, yes. The outside of the frame, yes. Now we have a look after. This is an old shower, but you can see everything is crystal clean. Everything. There's a bit of stainage on the glass, a bit of stainage on the frame, but you can see everything is clean. Everything has been brushed under the flappy bit of the shower. There is no chemical residue anywhere. All the grout has been cleaned. You can see how fresh it looks. The grout that you can see, there's a lot of grout missing, and there's a little bit of the grout that's actually stained that you'd have to file out. Obviously, the fixtures are on point. Gorgeous. It's like we've got brand new tapware right now. See how there's no residue, nothing on any of the tapware. And with the glass, it's almost like you'll see when she turns around in a second that it doesn't even look like there is any glass in the shower. As she turns around to the left, you can see there's just nothing. There's no residue on there at all.